Welcome to Circuits and Electronics Laboratory. This room is located on the first floor of L building in Bina Nusantara University Syahdan campus. There are several practicum courses held in this Circuits and Electronics room, such as Physics 2, Circuits and Signals, and Electronics Device. In Physics 2, students will have the knowledge and basics concepts of mechanics, physics, and electrical concept of prototyping and breadboard using resistor and LED. For the Circuits and Signals practicum, student will discuss the analysis of electric circuits and signals, DC and AC, that consist of passive components, resistors, inductors and capacitors, and various applications of those circuits. And for the Electronics Devices practicum, student will discuss how semiconductor devices, and examples diodes, transistors and operational amplifier work and their application in electronic circuits. Circuits and Electronics Laboratory is a dimension of 9.89 times 5.86 meters with a capacity of 24 students. In Electronics Room, there are general tools that will be used in every practicum for Electronics Room: computers, LCD projector, and VGA switch. There are several software to support the practicum's course in Electronics Room. A Circuits and Signals practicum use two software, which are L1D multisim that implemented on 12 computers for students to simulate the circuit simulation and to analyze the circuits. Especially in Circuits and Signals practicum, student need knowledge in L1D multisim to help them analyze the practicum in RLC circuit. Waveform that implemented on 12 computers for students used to connect with analog discovery instruments to provide signals and measurements for digital system practicum. B Electronic Devices L1D multisim that implemented on 12 computers for students to simulate the circuit simulation and to analyze the circuits. For Electronics Device, L1D multisim is used to prototype circuits and see the response of active component and how it works. The experiment tools are divided by practicum courses that held in Electronics Room. A for Electronic Devices courses, the experiment tools are Electronics Devices Panel Box, Diode and Rectifier Filter Practicum Module, BJT Common Collector and Common Emitter Practicum Module, JFET Common Source and MOSFET Common Source Practicum Module, Operational Amplifier Practicum Module, Summing Amplifier Practicum Module, Active Filter and Regulator Practicum Module, SCR, TRIAC, SSR, and H-Bridge Practicum Module, Power Supply, Audio Generator, Oscilloscope, Digital Multimeter. B for Circuits and Signals courses, the experiment tools are Component Box, Breadboard, Power Supply, Audio Generator, Oscilloscope, Analog Discovery, Digital Multimeter. C for Physics 2 courses, the experiment tools are Component Box, Breadboard, Power Supply, Audio Generator, Digital Oscilloscope, Digital Multimeter. For safety equipment in this room, there is a fire extinguisher that installed in this room. As you can see from the tag, we periodically inspect and maintain the fire extinguisher to make sure it is functioning. This fire extinguisher is valid until November 25, 2021. There are also circuit breakers installed for each table as short circuit protection, and a smoke detector on the ceiling. This is the lab safety guidelines that must be obeyed by every student who comes to this room. Lab safety guidelines will be updated every semester with the approval of the head of the laboratory.